Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speakeasy English. I'm your host, Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
Today's topic is very fun and very useful.
Yes, today we talk about the market.
That's right, a day at the market. Do you go to the market, Tom?
Yes, I love the market, but sometimes I don't know what to say.
That's okay. That's why we are here. Today you will learn simple English for the market.
Perfect. I need this.
Okay, first you arrive at the market. You walk in. You see many things. Fruits, vegetables, meat, bread.
Oh, it's busy.
Yes, the market is busy. So, what do you say first?
Hello?
Yes, always say hello. It's friendly. You can say, good morning. Or, hello, how are you?
That's easy. Good morning.
Great job, Tom. The seller will say, good morning. What do you need today?
Oh, so they ask me first?
Sometimes yes, and you answer simply. You say, I need some apples, please. Or, can I have some tomatoes?
Can I have some tomatoes? I'd like that.
Say it again, everyone at home. Can I have some tomatoes? Good, very good.
Okay, Tom, now you are at the vegetable stall. You want to buy onions. What do you ask?
How much?
Yes, perfect. The full sentence is, how much is this? Or, how much are these onions?
How much are these onions? Okay,
And the seller says, they are $2 a kilo.
$2. That's good.
Then you say, okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
I'll take 1 kilo, please. That sounds very natural.
It is natural. People say this every day. Everyone at home, repeat, please. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sarah, what if the price is too high?
Good question. Sometimes the price is expensive. You can say, that's a little expensive. Or, can you give me a better price?
Oh, we can ask for a lower price?
In many markets, yes. It's called bargaining.
Bargaining. Okay, can you give me a better price?
Yes, and the seller might say, okay, I'll give it to you for $1.50.
And then I say, thank you, I'll take it.
Exactly. See? Easy conversation. Simple words. Now you have your things. Time to pay.
How do I pay? What do I say?
You give the money and say, here you go. Or you ask, do you have change?
Do you have change? Useful.
Very useful. And at the end, always be polite. Say, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And the seller says, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good day. I love that phrase.
Say it to everyone, at the market, at the shop, anywhere. Okay, let's review today's phrases. Ready, Tom?
Ready.
At the market, you say,
Good morning. Can I have some tomatoes? How much is this? I'll take 1 kilo, please. Can you give me a better price? Thank you very much.
beautiful. You remember everything.
The market is easy now.
Yes, with these simple phrases, you can shop anywhere in the world. That's all for today, everyone. Practice these phrases. Go to a market. Use English.
Don't be afraid. Just try. Mistakes are okay.
Tom is right. Every time you speak, you get better.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time on Speakeasy English.
Goodbye.
Bye.